All right, for those that have now stuck around past the dramatic unboxing AVE style of the Milwaukee 10-piece locking pliers set, congratulations. Even though these all fell on the ground when I opened it, I could tell in a crumpled heap that these things are like super duper high quality. Man, they are tight, they're even. There's no, on the cheap ones, how the jaws overlap and twist when you really, really need to cinch down on them. I don't think that is going to be a problem with the old Milwaukees from the Homeless Despot. So I did get these from Home Depot. I paid 89 bucks on sale here at the end of June, and the most wonderful year ever, 2020. And I think that's a steal because any decent pair of locking pliers is going to be just on their own. A pair like this size right here, I don't know, a good one, $12 or $13. And then you've got the Milwaukee, the Max Bite type of, I don't know what you want to say, the jaws here. So really get around rounded fasteners if you got the room to use them. And you've got the clamp style that will be oh so helpful for welding or possibly brazing if you use your torch for that. I only use mine for unboxings, but I've never had a pair of these, and this is going to be cool. Love it. You really can't go wrong with most of Milwaukee stuff. If you are on the fence about getting these, don't be. They're perfect. They're just perfect. You get all different kinds of jaws in multiple sizes. There you got the needle nose, and here you got the two. I think these are the 8s, the 6s, the 4s. But man, pick it up, go unbox it. Don't burn your box or your house down doing it. But don't regret it. Yeah, I think even at full price, 130, 140 bucks, it's probably well worth it. Enjoy.